Hi guys, it's Toka Jackson here, and today we're going to be doing the snowstorm. Let's get right into the video. I can't fall asleep. It's snowing! I'm not going to have I don't think I'm going to have school tomorrow. There's a lot of snow. Let's turn on a couple of lights. These two. Oh my gosh, that's so much snow. Oh my god. Power goes out. Oh my gosh. That is part 1 of the winter storm. Part 2 of the winter storm. Oh no, the downstairs. Let's go. I'm so scared. It's so dark. Can't see. What happened to the lights? I don't know. I think the power went out because of snow. Ah! Oh my god. I'm scared. Just sit right here. Guys, it's okay. Guys, all come in here. There's a storm. We have to go where there's no windows. Is there any windows in here? Yes, there is. Got the kids. I got this one. And this one. Come on. Give me my backpack. Let's all go. Go upstairs. Run. Let's go to the bathroom. There's still windows. That doesn't matter. All the kids get in the bathtub. I'm scared. You guys are fun. Sit right here. Calm. Stay calm. Something happens to us. Nothing's gonna happen to us, sweetie, okay? We just need to be here and stay quiet so nothing happens. We just need to stay quiet just in case we hear something break, so we know to get out. Okay, Mom. Just stand right there. Psh! And that someone's in the other room. Ah! I'm scared. I'm scared. Everybody, just stay quiet. Just stay quiet. Just stay quiet. Just stay quiet, okay? We're gonna be fine. Psh, psh, psh. Ah. Window breaks. Psh. Crack. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stay here, everybody, get close. See, I'm trying to press the light. See, I'm trying to press the light, it's not turning on. The power ran out. Okay, everybody, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. That's part 2 of the snow. Part 3 of the snowstorm. Mom, I'm scared. Okay, we keep hearing a bunch of cracks. Let's go pack our stuff and go to a nearby shelter. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna go pack my stuff. Okay. You guys go. You guys come in our room. Okay. You guys don't need to pack any stuff, really? Because let's just go to sleep. I guess you're going to sleep in the baby bed. Let's go pack my sleeping bag. Oh, I'm actually gonna hold my sleeping bag. I don't really need anything. We don't really need anything, so I'll just get the kids. Okay. Where are the glasses? Okay, guys. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Run, 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 run. We gotta run to the car. Okay, run, 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 run. They drive to a nearby shelter. Run, 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 run. Okay, guys. Everybody stay calm. Try to go to sleep. Okay. That's the end of part 3. Bye, guys. I hope you love the snowstorm. Bye. Mwah.